I want to take you for a walkthrough on the back end of this program. This is a big investment and a leap of faith. And so I want you to know as much about this program as you can. Of course, when you purchase this program, we expect results for our clients. We expect administrative and marketing support. We've added a lot into our programs in the way of physician approval and beautiful presentation. But beneath it all, what we're expecting for ourselves, or what you're expecting, should be a return on investment. Purchasing a program, of course, for reuse should not be considered an expense so much as an investment. You should expect to have an initial cost for the program, but then you should have a reasonable expectation for a return on that investment in the way of sales. So you should do this by projecting sales and then by actually putting many people and or groups of people into the program. For a health practitioner, that is a cost of goods sold. Once you have covered the costs of the program, there is no cost of goods, and sales of the program are 100% profit. That's why program sales are a good business model for health practitioner. That's one of the reasons that this is a solid and affordable health solution for your customer. You don't have to overcharge for something that you have no cost to administer. It's a win-win for everyone. Now I'm going to show you the back end. We'll go into the membership site on our site, and you'll get to see exactly what you'll be receiving once you purchase this program. And one other thing, if you would like to know how to charge for the program, if you go down to the FAQs, there is a point where you can click on the FAQs, and there is a rates that you can click on to see what a reasonable expectation for charging for the program might be. This is one of my favorite programs. We created the program one year when it seemed like everybody was cranky and they needed to get in touch with their feelings. So this has one challenge each day that the customer goes through, and it's a beautiful, beautiful post. And it's really easy because it all comes in one piece, and you just deliver it one page at a time. It covers inspiration, greatness, needs, facing fears, happiness, kindness, generosity, spirituality, habits, feelings, letting go, and character traits, taking responsibility, stress, goals, and sleep, maintenance, connection and meditation, and being of service. And it's really each one of those topics are covered on a regular basis every day. So if any person did this and did what, even half of the challenges, it would improve quality of life a lot for them and for the people around them too. I want to show you exactly what you get so that you can see what is in the member area. So I'm in the member area here. When you go through, anything that you did not purchase will be grayed out. And I passed up UpLife. There it is. And UpLife will be lit up, or whichever programs that you purchase will be lit up. And this is the UpLife program. It has a video that explains how it works. There's an UpLife program PowerPoint. There's an UpLife brochure. There's a sales page import file for Divi. And then if you don't have Divi or one of our websites, there's also a download page. And this is one program that you get free customization with. It's just a simple thing for us to do. So at the bottom here, there's a recording telling you what to do, and then click on this for the UpLife customization form, and we'll actually give it to you customized. The UpLife main page is what we just looked at. UpLife workshop is included in here too. And this we did for every single one of our points, where you get email sequence to help sell the program, a webinar / lunch and learn / workshop PowerPoint to present the program, and then 3 lead magnets or freebies that you trade to your customer for their contact information to build your list. This is a wonderful program for up-leveling a life. And it's a program that we use, especially with the membership package, to help pull people from this program into a bigger program. So it serves a lot of purpose as well. I hope you consider it. I hope you get it, and let me know how you do with it. If you have any questions, contact support@thehealthcoachgroup.com.